the street instead of walking? What could we do? Andres, what could we do? Skating, right, it's fine. Skating arms, you ready? Oh, how many friends are we going to meet?
2.
Okay, 2 friends, ready? As I was skating down the street, down the street, down the street, 2 friends of mine I chanced to meet. Hello, 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 rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go, rig-a-jig-jig and away we go. Hello, hello, hello. Shall we do something else down the street?
Yes.
What do you think we could do? We've done walking, we've done skating, how else could we go?
Running.
Shall we try running? We've got running arms, you ready? How many friends this time?
3.
3 friends, well done. As I was running down the street, down the street, down the street, 3 friends of mine I chanced to meet. Hello, 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 rig-a-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go, rig-a-jig and away we go. Hello, hello, hello. And shall we do one more to finish off?
Yeah.
What can we do this time? Skateboarding, Scott. Skateboarding has how many friends this time?
4.
Friends, you ready? As I was skateboarding down the street, down the street, down the street, 4 friends of mine I chanced to meet. Hello, 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 rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go, rig-a-jig-jig and away we go. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, that's lovely. Well done. Should we do our chimpanzee song? Yes. Okay, so we need some ideas for this one as well. I can clap, and I can pat my head, I can clap, and I can pat my head, I can clap, clap, pat my head, flick my fingers and tap my knees, rub my tongue like a chimpanzee. And what else could we do instead of the